Hey there, I'm Brittany Noelle, and I'm gonna be your Sunny instructor for today. Today I'm gonna be taking you through a 10-minute lower body kettlebell workout. So you're gonna wanna grab your kettlebell. We're gonna be repeating a few exercises to do a circuit. So make sure that you're prepared for that. Also make sure that you go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know all of our workouts. So let's get started. Hey there, I'm Brittany Noelle, and I'm gonna be your Sunny instructor for today. Today I'm gonna be taking you through a 10-minute kettlebell workout for lower body. So go ahead and grab your kettlebell and let's get started. All right, so for today's exercise, what we're gonna be doing is a circuit. So we're gonna be doing goblet squats, side lunge to press, and a single leg deadlift. So for goblet squats, we're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds. Then we're gonna be doing side lunge to press for a minute, so 30 seconds on each side. And then we're gonna be doing single leg deadlift, 30 seconds on each side, so a minute total, taking a little rest break for 30 seconds, and then repeating that 3 times. All right? Awesome. Okay, so go ahead and grab your kettlebell, and we're gonna start with goblet squats. So you're just gonna go ahead, hold it by the horns here. You're gonna make sure that your feet are hips width apart. You're just gonna squat down, keeping your chest up nice and high. Make sure that those toes stay behind your knees. Also make sure that you're keeping your weight in your heels here. I like to say I can almost tap or wiggle my toes while I'm squatting. Keep the chest up nice and high, core engaged. Only go down as low as you feel comfortable. I can kind of get my elbows to the top of my thighs. That's a cool goal if that works for you. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna take this kettlebell. We're gonna place it in the rack position here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a side lunge on the way back up. You're gonna press. So we're gonna use that momentum from the side lunge to come back up and press. On that press, make sure that you keep your rib cage down and you press up through the roof here. If you need to exhale on the way up, you can. Give me one good one. Actually, we got nice time for one more. There we go, okay. Set your bell down. You're gonna switch sides. Transition. You're gonna go side lunge, up and press. Now with the side lunge, make sure that the hip, knee, ankle are all in alignment, okay? If you wanna put your hand on your hip, you can. If you wanna have your arm free to the side, it's whatever works best for you, okay? Go ahead and give me one more good one. Oh, no, we got time for another. Down and up, okay. Bring that down. Next, we're gonna do single leg deadlifts. So you're gonna go ahead. Keep the bell in the opposite of the working leg, so the leg that you're standing on. You're gonna come down and up. Make sure your back is flat. You're gonna kick that heel up towards the sky. Make sure that this hip bone is facing down towards the mat, so we don't wanna open up. I know that that's hard for some of you that do like yoga, because you're trying to be open in the hips. For this, we wanna have the hips facing down towards the ground. All right, switch sides. Keep that back nice and flat. Now, if you need to put your foot down to regain balance, that's totally fine. Make sure your core is engaged here. Again, kick that heel up towards the sky. Great work. Don't worry about how low you go. You just wanna go as low as you need to feel that nice stretch in your hamstrings. Squeeze the glutes on the way up, okay? Remember, it's the leg you're standing on that's doing the work. All right, go ahead and put that down. 30-second rest break. All right, great work. So remember, we're doing goblet squat, side lunge, and then we're doing our single leg deadlift. So again, just on those side lunges, make sure that those toes facing forward, get the heel lined up with the toe, make sure that the hip is going back, knee is tracking in line with your feet, keeping the chest up high. Sometimes people like to kind of collapse to the side. We don't want to do that. All right, rest time is up. Go ahead and grab your kettlebell once again. And we're gonna go down and up. Great job, breathe it out. You're doing great here. Keep the weight on your heels. Keep your core engaged. Hold that kettlebell right by the horns here. Keep those knees behind your toes. Remember, I'm just trying to kind of tap my elbows to the top of my thighs here. Great. Go ahead, transition. Put that kettlebell in the rack position. You're gonna side lunge, up, press. I find inhaling and then exhaling on that press helps me a lot. might help you too. Okay. Also, trying to make sure that your feet are in the same plane as you do your side lunge here. Switch sides. Gonna move my watch like so, like this. Sometimes I forget to make that change when I have my kettlebell in the rack position. It just feels a little nicer on my wrist if it's not hitting my watch. So, little tip for you there. I don't know why on one side I feel more comfortable having my hand on my hip, and the other side I don't. Whatever, I'm strange like that. Okay, one more. All right. Kettlebell down. Let's get in position for the single leg deadlift. So, let's pick it up. Stand on one leg, down, up. So, I'm stretching here in the hamstrings, squeezing the glutes at the top here. Again, you should look like one of those little, I don't know what it is. It's some little like water thing, and the thing like does this. So basically you want your chest and your leg to move together. So it's not chest then leg, they're both moving together. Okay, switch sides. There we go. Make sure you're breathing here. So remember, chest is moving at the same time as the heel is going up towards the sky. Keep the core engaged. Make sure that you're not arching at your lower back. Okay, one more. Excellent. Go ahead, set your kettlebell down. All right, inhale, whew. Exhale. We got a nice 30-second break here. Watch me have like not did math correctly, and you guys should be getting like a minute break. You'd be like, dang it, Brittany, we are getting done sooner than 10 minutes. But I think I did math correctly. Never trust my math. Okay, back to goblet squats. So we're gonna grab this. We're gonna squat down and up. Great work. Yay. Inhale, exhale. Great work. Keep the weight in the heels here. Draw that belly button into your spine. Keep looking up. Squeeze the glutes at the top. Great work. 5 seconds left. One more. All right. Go ahead. Put your kettlebell in the rack position. Side lunge. Press. Exhale. You got this. It's our last time doing these. Good. One more. There we go. All right. Switch sides here. Side lunge. Up and press. There we go. Try not to rush the movement. Get a nice side lunge in there. Good solid press. Great work. Give me one more good one. And press. All right. Put that down. Let's go back to deadlift. All right. Gonna hold. Regain your balance. Bring it all the way through. Great work. Belly button in toward the spine here. You're doing great. Good, give me like one more good one. Okay, switch sides. Shake it out if you need to. There we go. Make sure you're breathing. Nice, good. Get those deadlifts. Kick that heel up to the sky. There we go. Looking good. Keep it up. Awesome. Give me two more. Oh, it's okay if you lose your balance on the last one. Awesome, okay. Go ahead, sit that down. Amazing. So, we have a little bit of time for us to go ahead and stretch it out. What I'm gonna go ahead and say is, let's go ahead and have feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Reach down, That way we get a nice little stretch here for our hamstrings. You're gonna walk those hands over to the left. Inhale, exhale. I also notice that in this position, it gives a nice little back stretch sometimes as well. Walk yourself over to the right. Go ahead and hold that. Inhale, exhale it out. Go ahead and take this time to think a little bit about your workout. Bring it back to the center. Slowly roll up. You've done an amazing job. I love to, at the end, just reflect on what we've done. Go ahead, let's do a little quad stretch here. If you wanna hold your ear, I don't know why that helps, but it does to stay nice and upright. Well done. Go ahead, slowly release. Let's do the other side. Little trick to hold the ear, yes. Great work. Again, go ahead, take some time, reflect on this workout, and I hope it was a good one. Make sure that you go ahead, like, subscribe, hit that notification button here, because we wanna see you. Again, my name is Brittany Noelle, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye for now.